This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Allene Anderson. 39.4 beautiful acres located in the heart of the tri-state area of TN, GA and NC, just waiting for you to restore with your plans and dreams. Gentle laying land has 2 septic tanks, 2 water sources, 1 private well and 1 county. Current manufactured home needs some work to be livable, has paved road frontage with 3 separate entrances for easy subdividing. Just minutes to Blue Ridge, McCaysville, Murphy and the Ocoee River. And just down the road from small private airstrip in case you have a plane. For more information, review the details below or contact Allene Anderson at 706-632-4070.